Hello everyone, this is part 2 video on heat pump experiment. Here we are going to look into data collection process, what data you have to collect, which tools you will use, and how you are going to run the machine to collect the data. So right here on the screen you could see the manual, and inside the manual this is the data collection table. Temperature first column, second column, time is the first column, and temperature second column, third column another temperature. So we are basically measuring two temperatures here, temperature of water in the left side bucket and temperature of water in the right side bucket. Left side bucket is referred as evaporator, right side bucket condenser. So we have two buckets filled with water. One side we have cooling effect, the other side we have heating effect. We are trying to measure these temperatures with the help of a thermocouple sensor dipped in water here, another thermocouple sensor dipped in water here, and connected to a digital display to read the temperatures. Okay, we start with time zero room temperature. So it should be the same whatever is the room temperature, 2020. Okay, then to start the compressor there is a switch here. You click the switch and it starts the compressor. Right, with that you also need a timer, so that every 30 seconds you are going to record T1 and T2. T1 represents temperature of water in the green bucket here, which is the evaporator. T2 represents temperature of water in the red bucket, which is condenser. So again, T1 for the green bucket, T2 for the red bucket. In here you have the numbers B1, B2 instead of T1, T2, but you can replace B1 as T1 and B2 as T2. So you see the numbers keep changing, 19.1, 26.4. So we started at room temperature, maybe 21 degrees for both of them, and then on the green side you have temperature decreasing, on the red bucket side you have the temperature increasing. So which means you have cooling effect in the red bucket and heating effect on the right side bucket. So every 30 seconds you need a timer. Every 30 seconds you will keep capturing the temperature values from this temperature reader, and you will continue this till you reach 900 seconds, which is 15 minutes run time of the machine. So we select the run time as 15 minutes and we keep measuring the temperature every 30 seconds. So you will have that way all the data captured, and then once you have the data you will make this graph. As you see in the manual, you put time on the x-axis in seconds and or minutes, and then temperature on y-axis. Since you have two temperatures, you will put two graphs, two lines on the same graph. One line represents temperature of water in the evaporator, which is the green bucket. The other line, temperature of water in the condenser, which is the red line there. So in the condenser we see temperature of water rising, so you see the line increasing trend, and in the evaporator it is a decreasing trend. So you have like two lines for the two temperatures in the green and red bucket. Right. Okay, so that is all about data collection and graphs. I'll see you in part 3 where we look into the calculation part of this experiment. Okay, then bye.